Hello everyone and welcome back to the Graphite Labs YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be diving into another feature of our TGL Toolbox, which is our phone number insights tool. In case you don't know, our TGL Toolbox is a suite of digital microservices designed to fill gaps in your service trades, skilled trades, or home service tech stack. These are a collection of AI and automation tools specifically designed for the service trades industry that will integrate directly with your CRM, whether that's Service Titan, House Call Pro, Jobber, etc., and make your data cleaner and run more smoothly so that you can focus on delivering exceptional service to your customers. We are inside the TGL Toolbox on our phone number insights tool page. And as you can see, what this tool does is it analyzes phone numbers and provides insights about their validity, type, and carrier. So this one is pretty simple. So what we're going to do is put in a phone number here and then click generate. And there you go. This number is valid. It's from the US. Shows you the international format as well as the national format. As you can see, this phone type is a virtual phone number. So this means that this phone type isn't tied to a specific physical address. This is the carrier as well as the country code and the network code. So this can be super helpful in your CRM to validate phone numbers to make sure that when you're running marketing campaigns, you're not texting landlines and wasting valuable marketing dollars. You can make sure that your SMS messages are reaching the right people at the right time and that your call campaigns are effective as well. Now, the super helpful thing about all of our tools is that you can use them in the one-off use cases, such as the one that I just showed you, or you can build them into automated workflows so that you don't have to worry about doing these types of tasks manually. So here is an example of an automation that we built out for one of our customers in Zapier, utilizing the phone number verification tool, as well as our advanced Service Titan Zapier app. So as you can see, whenever a new appointment is created in Service Titan, it will verify that phone number. Now, there are some extra steps in here. For example, we want to make sure that the phone number exists in the job customer contact, and we want to make sure that there are no errors and format it correctly. We send off an email to the manager of the marketing campaigns to let them know, hey, this number shouldn't be texted. Make sure you validate this data and set up the campaign correctly. So this is just one example of how our one-off use case and our automated use case for our phone number validation tool can be really helpful for your trades business. As always, please feel free to leave a comment below or send us an email in our description in our channel and let us know if you have absolutely any questions or are interested in getting started on utilizing our toolbox. Look forward to catching you in the next one.